Now let's see the another standard continuous time signal, that will be the sampling function and as well as the sinc function. Compared to the sampling function, for your examination point of view, the sinc function will be very important. Most of the questions has to be designed based on this sinc function only. For example, let's see the notation for this sinc function. Sinc function can be represented with sinc of t, that will be equal to sin pi t divided by pi t. This was the representation for the sinc function. So if you want to represent this sinc function in terms of a plot, how it will be represented? That will be, if you want to draw the plot for the sin pi t, that will be this will be the sin pi t, just like a sine function. Plot be like this. And divided by, what you have to do? You have to do plot for pi t. Pi t means it's just like a straight line. The resultant curve, what you have to get? You will get the resultant plot be like this. The resultant plot be like this. This will be the sin pi t divided by pi t. Here you can observe, whenever if you divided by sin pi t divided by pi t, here the magnitude will be increasing whenever it reaches the 0. It will be come from the infinite, right? Here also, this if you take the time period t, it will be come from the infinite. Whenever it reaches the 0, the amplitude or the peak value will get increasing. And similarly, in this negative case also, it will be come from the some minus infinite case. And whenever it reaches the 0, the magnitude will be just like an increasing. Here the magnitude will get increasing like this. This was the plot for the sinc of t, that will be equal to sin pi t divided by pi t. Let's see some representation for this. That will be if you want to write a mathematical representation for this, how much you will get if you want to put the t is equal to 0. That will be for example, if you want to take sinc of t, just put t is equal to 0. That will be the sin pi of 0 divided by pi of 0. You will get then, when you will take the sin pi, sin 2 pi, sin 3 pi, you will get then 0, right? That will be the 0 by 0. Use this 0 by 0 form. There will be no uses for this 0 by 0 form. If you want to use this sinc function, just by applying the L'Hospital's rule, then you will get a different answer. For example, by applying L'Hospital's rule, you already know this L'Hospital's rule very well in the mathematics subject. If you want to just apply the L'Hospital's rule, means just you have to do the differentiation. That will be the d by dt of sin pi t divided by pi t. So this will become the pi into cos pi t divided by pi. Here pi will get cancelled to each other. So if you want to take, this will be an t is equal to 0, just put the t is equal to 0, how much you will get? Cos pi into 0, that will be equal to cos 0, that will be equal to 1. This will be the 1. 1 divided by 1 form. 1 divided by 1 form. You will get the 1. In this way, we can use this sinc function. Okay. Let's see for the sampling function what will happen. Sampling function that can be represented as SA of t, that will be equal to sin t divided by t. This was the representation for the sampling function. And here also we can apply the t is equal to 0. What will happen? That will be the sampling of t. In place of t, you have to just replace it with 0. That will be the sin t divided by t, where t is equal to 0. That will be equal to sin 0 divided by 0. That will be the 0 divided by 0 form. Here also we can apply the L'Hospital's rule. By applying L'Hospital's rule, that will be the differentiation of d by dt of sin t divided by t is equal to 0. That will be the cos t divided by 1. Now put t is equal to 0 in place of cos t. That will be the cos of 0 divided by 1. Cos 0, that will be the 1. The representation for the sampling of t also the same like this. If you want to draw the plot for this, plot be like this. So this will be the peak amplitude or peak magnitude, and here this will be the A, B, C, D. Here also if you take, this will be the minus A, minus B, minus C and minus D. If you want to take T be the what will be the function for the sinc of t? Sinc of t, that will be equal to sin pi t divided by pi t. For this case, you just have to take, for this sin pi t divided by t, you just have to take the values. A is equal to 1 comma, B is equal to 2 comma, C is equal to 3 and D is equal to 4 and so on. Substitute in here. And this A, B, C and D are said to be the zero crossing points. Zero crossing points. And similarly, if you want to just write the sampling function, sampling of t, that will be equal to sin t divided by t. In this case, just have to put A is equal to pi and B is equal to 2 pi and C is equal to 3 pi and D is equal to 4 pi. Here also we will get satisfied this waveform. This was the representation for the sampling function and the sinc function. Thank you.